All right, this is Bill Connelly, and I want to thank you for making it to this video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over some information with you about a company that I'm involved with, the products, the services, and if you want to either be a customer and get all of these services included, or if you'd like to be a business partner, build a business, share this protection plan membership with people while you're also getting all the services as well. So it's up to you. But once again, my name is Bill Connelly. This is my Facebook right here, facebook.com/cashflow dude. This is where you can find me. This is where you can send me a friend request. This is where you can inbox me, connect with me. But I'm going to give you my phone number and all that other information as well. So basically, here is our company, United Wealth Education Services. You can see me over here on the top right, Bill Connelly, Vice President. That is my rank with this amazing opportunity. United Wealth Education Services has been around since 2004, headquartered in Farmington Hills, Michigan. This is our business actual website where we bring on other business partners, and you can check it all out. I'll have all this information for people who want to check out the business opportunity. All right, so this is our main website right here that we share with people to bring on business partners, and that would be joining up as an agent with our company. Now, here's the actual website that we get that we share with people who are looking to become a customer, to get all of these services included as an all-in-one package. So this is called the United Credit Education Services. And this is what us as United Wealth Education reps or business partners get to share with people. All right, so here's my contact information, 609-442-3321. All of these products are included when somebody signs up. Okay, it's an all-in-one package that the customer gets. Now, if you decide to be an agent, a business partner, and you share this with people and they sign up, of course, you will get compensated. You also can bring on other agents. But the point is, you get all of these services included as a business partner, okay? So you're going to get every single service. So if you're looking to fix your credit, you have to decide whether you just want to be a customer, get on board, get all of these products and services, work on credit restoration, fixing your credit, protecting your identity, building up credit, just getting educated on the matters of your finance. I'm going to click on what's included real quick so you can see everything that is included in the package. All right, here you go. So basically what's included is budgeting. We want to give you a budgeting plan. Okay, you're going to have a back office where you can log in. You have a back office portal. You'll have all the products back there. You can sign up one by one. We even have a roadmap in the back office to show you what you need to do. Credit restoration. This is the main reason that people come on board and get started. All right. Our company is going to pull your credit one time, all 3 credit bureaus. We're going to do a deep analysis of every negative item that's on all 3 of the credit reports. And then we're going to make you up dispute letters, right? The company will make dispute letters for you. As an agent, I am not seeing your credit, okay? I'm not seeing your report. My company does all the work. I share a protection plan membership. I enroll people who are looking for these services, and then my company does the work. So if you want to be an agent with our company, you're just sharing this website, getting people on board, getting people to our company, into their back offices, getting their credit worked on, and teaching them about the matters of their finances, okay? So credit restoration, how does it all work? Well, once our company pulls your credit report, we're gonna make up the dispute letters for you. They're gonna mail them out to your house personally. You're gonna review them, look them over. You're gonna sign them, date them, and you're gonna add a picture of your driver's license and social. That will validate your identity and your address. You're going to mail them out to the credit bureaus, all 3 different credit bureaus. We give you all the information that you need in the envelope, exactly what to do. You can always get back with the person who signed you up into the protection plan membership, or you can even call customer service. We have a customer service where you can call in and ask them any questions or get any kind of support that you will need, customer or agent support. All right. So once you get these letters, sign them, date them, add your picture of your driver's license to social and mail them out. The credit bureaus then have 30 to 45 days to validate all of the negative items that are in the reports. If they cannot do that in that time frame, 100% accurate, by law of the Fair Credit Reporting Act of 1971, they have to be removed from your credit report. And that's what we're trying to leverage. Okay, the Fair Credit Report Act of 1971. That gives all Americans the right to dispute or investigate any negative items on their credit report. Now, once you get this information back from the credit bureaus, each one, you're going to save it. You're going to make copies of it. You're going to highlight the negative items that remain, and you're going to mail them back to our company because we don't want to pull your credit a second time. Now, our company's going to update their files. They're going to make brand new dispute letters with different wording, mail them back out to you, and then you repeat the process. And that's how it works. So that would be the credit restoration process. Now we have other amazing products. We have a credit builder, because as we're getting the negative items off, we want to show you how to start putting positive things on your credit report. We have a credit attorney that's included, absolutely free, no extra charge. If anybody's harassing you or hard things to get off, you can always make an appointment with our credit attorney. It's absolutely free. Credit monitoring. Okay, now when you have bad credit, nobody's really going to steal your credit or your identity. So we have credit monitoring. So anytime something happens, you'll be notified. This is a deep analysis as well. There's many other scores besides just a credit score. All right. You have an automobile score. You have a mortgage score. You have an insurance score. You have a employer score. So there's many different scores that are really included that a lot of people don't even know about. Now we have a debt payoff system. And this is what a lot of people might pay a financial advisor. And with this system right here, you can plug everything in, all your debt and the interest rates and the amount you owe. And it's going to give you a step-by-step pay down system to teach you how to get out of debt as quickly as possible. Very powerful. Identity monitoring, cyber theft, all that other stuff I'm talking about, people trying to steal your identity. Just know that this is included as well. This is through Allstate, and the actual product is called Privacy Armor. So Allstate partnered up with our company and gives you this valuable service as well. Now, if you are an agent with our company, if you decide to come on board as an agent, you can get life insurance up to $100,000 in free term life insurance with no medical, okay, no medical exam. So agents have the ability to get this life insurance. We have something called a financial lockbox. And if you would think about a bank, like a safe deposit box, it's the same kind of thing, but virtual. You can take pictures of all your important documents, your driver's license, passport, different documents that you have, and then have them password protected in this lockbox. Net worth. We want to teach you all about your net worth, your assets, and your liability. So these are amazing products that are included, but most people, like I said, come on initially for the credit repair, the credit restoration, savings goal. We want to teach you how to save, long-term goals and things like that. So this is basically, the website that we get. Another powerful product that is included, which most people don't have, is a will, trust, and a power of attorney. Now, this could cost you thousands of dollars with a lawyer, but it's included in our service. And basically you go into your back office where all your products are, and you just follow it step by step and fill in the information. And once it's done, our company's going to print it out and send it to you in a binder. Okay, you can always update the information, but this is a very, very powerful service and product that you get included in this protection plan membership. Now, the YFL Family Mint, this is where we go into schools and we educate kids on the matter of their finances. So we go into schools with a curriculum, teaching them all about credit, all about their finances, everything to give them a heads up and head start. Very powerful. We didn't have this back in the day. Now, another thing with the YFL, we also give scholarships to college freshmen and high school seniors. So what they do is they go to our website, they fill out an essay, a financial plan, and they can earn scholarship money. This past year, 2021, we have given over $600,000 in scholarships and helping kids. Very powerful. So amazing, amazing thing that we do. So this is basically the website right here, United Credit Education Services, This is what we as United Wealth Education agents share. Okay, now I work with a lot of realtors, car dealers, solar panel companies, mortgage brokers, anybody that has clients that needs credit restoration, credit repair. So they would send me someone, say, Bill, I have John here. He needs to get his score up. We're trying to get him into a house, get him into the mortgage. Can you work with him? Boom, I work with them. I get them signed up to the protection plan membership. And then I also work with them and show them different ways that they can get their score up. So that would be maybe being an authorized user on somebody else's credit card. We have a program called theselflender.com. That's where you can set up a loan. They report to the credit bureaus you're making good on a loan. You don't actually get the money, but you pay into it. And at the end of the loan, you get the money back minus their fee. But these are there. We have different ways to show you how to start adding positive things on your credit report. Now, as an agent, we also have the ability to share a program called Credit My Rent. And we can get up to 2 years of your rental history put on your credit report. Okay, up to 2 years. And we report to 2 of the 3 credit bureaus doing that. The mortgage brokers actually use the middle score when they're determining what score they're using to approve you. So one of those 2 scores will definitely be your middle score. So once again, this has been Bill Connelly. I am a vice president with this amazing opportunity. And I just wanted to share United Wealth Education Services with you, where you can be a business partner. I just wanted to share the protection plan membership that I share as an agent to help you if you just want to be a customer. If you have any other questions, I can give you a deeper presentation, but this has been Bill Connelly. I want to thank you for your time. If you have any questions, you can just definitely get back to me at 609-442-3321. If this is a video on YouTube, you can put a comment down below. Check out the description area. I'm sure there's more information, more links, and different ways that you can either sign up as an agent, sign up as a customer, or connect with me on my social media platforms. So once again, thank you for your time. God bless you and have a great day.